How's it going, everybody? Welcome back by the channel. My name is Will. You're at WW Mods. Today's video is going to be a little bit about my drone work that I do in my spare time, what little bit that I do have. So let me tell you a little bit about it. This is my workhorse, my Mavic 3 by DJI, and it's really a beast. I have some other drones, but that's the main one that I use when I'm doing most of my filming. So what I did, guys, on this particular video, I put together some video of some lakes that I went to here in North Carolina, and I want to share them with you. So all this footage was taken with the Mavic 3. I haven't done any color grading or anything to the footage. It is straight out of the drone, and we're going to see what that looks like. So guys, I appreciate you watching. Stay till the end, and I'll give you some updates on some future videos. So guys, let's get rolling.
Here's to the good days, here's to the sorrows. If this is a mistake, I know about tomorrow. I don't wanna fight no more, cause I don't feel the need no more, no. Just wanna make it stop. Maybe it's something in the water, or maybe we just hit the end of the road. Right now it doesn't even matter. It's too late not to let it go. And that's why I wish you the best and say goodbye. You start to get dressed and then we cry, cause we both know it's gonna hurt, but not as much as this does. We had a good run, don't say we didn't. I was your first love, and you were my first one. Cheers to all the memories, the venom and the remedies, yeah. Promise I won't forget, yeah. Maybe it's something in the water, or maybe we just hit the end of the road. Right now it doesn't even matter. It's too late not to let it go. And that's why I wish you the best and say goodbye. Start to get dressed and then we cry, cause we both know it's gonna hurt, but not as much as this does. So baby, bye. It's for the best and you know why. You gotta leave me here tonight before we make this even worse. It's gonna hurt even more than this does. We gave it up, it's time to say bye, baby, bye. I'll be, you'll be, yeah, we'll be fine. So let's call it a night, and that's why I wish you the best and say goodbye. You start to get dressed and then we cry.
guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. It was a few locations that I went to this summer with the Mavic 3 here and did some filming. And like I told you, it's a workhorse and I got some great video, I thought. And like I say, it's unedited. I just stitched it together, added some music to it, and put it out there and just give you an idea of what the just raw is right out of the camera. So before anybody asks, no, I'm not sponsored by DJI, and they didn't pay me to make this video, and everything I purchased was with my own money. So with that being said, I hope you found it a little bit interesting, and if you did, please hit that like and subscribe button. Click on that notification bell, let you know when I put up new content. I've got a lot of videos planned. They're kind of on hold because Riza is still stuck over in Dubai. Immigration system is dragging their feet. Go figure. But anyway, nothing we can do about that. We just have to wait. Hopefully, she'll be here in the next couple of months and we'll be able to expand our YouTube channel and go to some places, get some vlogging in, get some drone shots, take some beautiful pictures. But all that's in the future. Hopefully, it'll be real soon. We got our fingers crossed. So, with all that being said, guys, that's going to about do it for this particular video. I hope, like I said, you liked it. If you did, drop me a comment down below. I always enjoy hearing from you. And we've got a lot of videos planned for the future. So, guys, with all that being said, give us a like, and I will see you on the next one.